Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're in this dungeon replacing a water heater. Listen to that Milwaukee tool cutting that 3/4 copper. Listen to that baby purr. Now this is out in the country, and so they have a softener that's like 50-60 feet away, and it's ran with PEX that ties into the copper. I'm using the Pipe Vise Amigo from the pipevise.com, the Amigo right there, to get those female fittings onto the male fittings onto the water heater. Amazing tool. Here I am cleaning the copper. Some of this older copper had some of that debris and gunk that gets on old copper. So we're gonna cut it, clean it, deburr it, and then tie everything together. While I was working in this basement, I wasn't sure if I was going to get bit by one of the 1,000 spiders that are down here. They have spider webs that are hanging down past the rafters. They're hanging everywhere. I thought I was going to turn into the next Peter Parker. Now, I like to dry fit everything before I start pressing. So I will dry fit a lot of stuff, mark it, and then I'll press. I'm getting this T ready. This is gonna be the adapter that goes from copper to PEX, and this is what leads to the softener that is overall 50-60 feet away. Also, they got their intake for the wellhead and all that is at the same spot the softener is. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, and like. Please subscribe because I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers is the goal and the mark so you can get paid. Have a great